Can you activate Bizum on Revolut 18 in 2025? Here's the truth you need to know. First, what is Bizum? Bizum is a mobile payment system widely used in Spain. It allows users to send and receive money instantly using just a phone number. Now, is Bizum available on Revolut 18? Unfortunately, the answer is no. As of 2025, Bizum is only available through traditional Spanish banks that are part of the Bizum network. Revolut, including Revolut 18, does not currently support Bizum. Why not? Because Bizum requires integration with Spanish banking infrastructure, and Revolut operates as an international digital bank that doesn't participate in this system. Are there alternatives? Yes. With Revolut 18, you can still send and receive money instantly with other Revolut users, use bank transfers to Spanish IBANs, make payments with your Revolut card online and in stores. Final takeaway. While you can't use Bizum on Revolut 18 right now, Revolut still offers fast and flexible payment options that work across Europe. Hope this clears things up. If Bizum compatibility ever changes, we'll update you right away, so don't forget to like and subscribe for future Revolut tips.